Hey guys, it's Arlene and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, today I have been wanting to do this for such a long time, and today is my opportunity to do one of the TikTok's food hacks, which is the mug cake. But I'm gonna do like a muffin brownie using Oreo or any substitutes. I'm actually going to use these chocolate sandwich creams. I got this from Whole Foods, and I also going to be needing of milk. And so yeah, so let's go grab my milk real quick. Okay, so for my milk, I'm going to be using the almond milk. And as soon as we finish the batter, I am going to put them in this container. Okay, so let's get started. Like a bell cut. Oh, guys, by the way, I really have high expectation on what the outcome will be, and I do hope it will look like this. Well, I don't want chocolate chips, but at least the consistency of the brownie will look like this. So let's see, let's find out. Okay, so I think we can get started, and I think I'm going to use maybe 5 cookies like this, and I think I'm gonna scrape the filling because I don't want my brownie to be sweet. So let's scrape all the fillings of these 5 cookies. Okay, so I'm gonna scrape the filling. Yeah, it's easy. So I don't want my brownie to be so sweet. So I'm just gonna remove these like that. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna use 5 sandwiches. Okay, that's 2. Okay. That's 3. That's 4. And 5. So I think this should be enough for one what do you call this one? One muffin. And I think we're just gonna mush it. It's actually not bad. It's not that hard. Okay, so I think it would be easy and faster if I put some milk. Just probably a tablespoon, like that. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it's faster that way. Okay, I need more. I think that should be good. Okay, so let's just keep doing this until it will be smooth. Okay, so just keep on stirring until you'll have a smooth consistency, like a cake batter consistency. So wow, guys, this smells so good. Oh wow, so I think we're done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab a small container. Wow. Smell so good. So I didn't add any more milk. So probably this is like 5 sandwiches of cookies, and probably the milk I just winged it. So probably like maybe 3 tablespoons. So just wing it as well until you get this consistency. So let me grab a container real quick. Okay, this, I'm gonna use this, and let's put this here, like that. And let's pour our batter. Probably need a spoon, but anyway, this will do. See that? OMG, yum. You know what? I think I'm gonna grab a spoon real quick. Okay. So let's put that there. There, easier. Duh. Look at that. Okay. So now I'm not sure how many minutes I'm gonna cook this in the microwave. So I think let's start with a minute first and see how it goes. I hope this is not full. I mean, you know, it will still grow, so I hope this is enough. Then let's try a minute. Okay, minute is over. So let's go open it. Wow. I'm not sure if that's done. Probably it need more, like another 30 seconds. So let's give it a try. Well, it looks good. Okay, so before we add 30 seconds, I don't want my, you know, brownie or muffin to get burned. I am going to stick this in here. And if it sticks, then it means it needs 30 seconds. If not, then it's cooked. Ta-da! It's done, guys. So just a minute. Let me try again, just to make sure. Oh, wow, it's done. Wow, this thing really worked. I could not believe it. It's still hot, so let's see. Ooh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Now, let's taste it, guys. Let's taste it. It's still hot. OMG. It's perfect. It's moist on the inside. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. I'm gonna be eating the whole thing. Wow. I'm gonna make more muffins or cake or mug cake, whatever you want to call it, tomorrow. I am gonna finish the whole thing. And this is actually better, you know, than the muffins that you bought from, you know, from Kroger or any, you know, the bakery section like in Kroger. This is actually better. So just buy cookie sandwich and just make your own. Wow, I am impressed. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and yeah, I hope you learned something from me today, because I did. And I'm also gonna definitely, you know, try different flavors of cookie sandwiches. So yeah, thanks so much guys for watching, and you have a good day or a good night. Bye. Like a Hellcat.